Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for Saturday, March 15th, 2025. Hope you're having a good weekend. Hope everything's going well for you. Hope you're having some fun. Hope you're not losing any money in the markets. Hope you're not scared. Hope you're staying in it. Hope you're holding or hodling for the long haul, just like I am, at least with Bitcoin. Alts I can get rid of, but I ain't never selling my Bitcoin. All right, without further ado, let's get into the charts. So, what are we looking at from yesterday? Well, basically nothing, and that's why this is going to be a pretty short video, I think. So you'll see that from yesterday, we've basically just been moving sideways. We came down to about 83.7, 83.8, came up, for that high there. We bounced over 85 just briefly, up to like 85.4 briefly, but I've found this little range here at 84.8 down to 83.8-ish. Yeah. Just sideways movement on price since yesterday. We have seen the stochastics here on the 90-minute chart, though. They have gotten down into overbought territory, found a bottom, and have bounced. Good signs, good signs. They have since gotten just barely into bullish territory here. And RSI did not get under 50, stayed in bullish territory, and is just now, it's fighting to get over its signal line right now, but it just might. With these signals looking like that and that little bull flag looking like that, what bull flag, dude? Well, this bull flag right there. That's a bull flag. That is a bull flag. And they tend to break up. Although this is a symmetrical triangle of a bull flag. I mean, if you count the wick. If you don't count the wick, then it's kind of more like this. Either way, let's take the measured move from the bottom. Nah, we'll take it from the top, from where price is. Measured move, look at that, same as the last measured move of this inverted head and shoulders. That's still technically valid as well. So yeah, we're looking at a move up to 90 if that breakout does occur. If not, then hey, if this Bart Simpson's, then move back down to 80. Which wouldn't move us out of this little uptrend that we're in here. However, we would rather see a higher low if we do come down above 80. Maybe stopping it at 82 here at this. Now again support of 82K. We haven't broken over 85. 85 needs to be broken before we can get to 90. Clearly, but it looks good with the way the Stokes are looking right now. Let's take a look at the 22 real quick just to see how the Stokes there. Well, they seem to be finding a little bottom here at the 50, which is the line between bearish territory under it and bullish territory over it. You can also see RSI also finding a little bottom there. It's finding some support at 50. Hopefully it can take off. Let's take a look at. Oh, and it's over the 200 still. That's a good sign too. 5 minutes. It's also over the 200. Stochastics coming up. Good signs. 1 minute. Coming up. It's under the 200 currently, but it's the 1 minute. It could change. Stokes are up high. RSI just moved into bullish territory. This could be good. This also could double top here on this RSI and bring it back down. Or back down to here. Hopefully higher. And then bouncing back up over the 200 there on the 1 minute, which would continue this move on the 5 minute, and then the 22 minute, and then the 90 minute, and eventually we'd get up over 85 and move up to 90. That would be the next move if we go up. Let's look at the 6-hour chart. We are once again stuck in overbought territory here on the Stokes, and we will remain there as long as the momentum is upwards on the 90-minute chart on the Stokes there. We can also see a move back into bullish territory here on the RSI, which is good. You can also see, we'll adjust this triangle just a wee bit to include these hash here, and there you go. It's still the same pattern though. The bear flag is still there, and it will still be there until we see that move up and invalidate that invalidate that bear flag, validate that bear flag by completing the move of this ascending triangle up here to 91.5. Same deal as yesterday. If we can get up there, we'd be meeting the 200 because the next couple of days, you can see the 200 kind of moves every 6 hours. It moves down about $100. So in tomorrow, after $400 more, that's be 63-ish, 63.2. Where's that at? 63.2 should be out here. It'll be a couple days before that gets down to there. So maybe it'll take a couple of days, maybe not. Maybe we'll get up here and then we'll test it. We'll see. We will see. But we do need to get over that 200 here and that 200 here before we can really say that we're getting bullish. The moves here say that we're gonna. Or the patterns here say that we're gonna. The patterns here say that we're not. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. We are also seeing a Bollinger Band squeeze here. So a move is coming. A big move is coming. Big violent move is coming. We're also seeing very low volatility. So big violent move coming soon. How soon? Probably tomorrow, tonight or tomorrow. We're either going to see it play out back up to 90 or we're going to see it drop. Hopefully not as low as the bear flag, but you know, we have a few supports. 82, like I said, that's where we want to see it drop to if it does, or find a bottom if it does, because then it would just continue this higher lows. But if not, then, you know, possibly as far down as, you know, our last low down here near 77. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily. Looking pretty much the same as yesterday. That bullish engulfing candle did actually engulf that red candle, which is a bullish sign, like I was saying yesterday. So yeah, let's see if, maybe not today's candle, but we got 11 hours left to go, so there's a lot of room to grow or to drop. But we'll see if today's candle can't break that 85. That's what I want to see happen. And if it, or, you know, even more so, break that 21 here. Can break over that 21, then, you know, let's see it move up to that 50 next. What else are we seeing? Oh, the 21 here came up. 21 has come up to meet price action. So there's that as well as a bullish sign. But yeah, things are looking good, man. I think we're gonna see some upside moves here in the next day, maybe two. I think is what I said, but what I should say is there's more likelihood that we're going to see, let me transition back. There's more likelihood that we're going to see upside versus downside, but that doesn't mean that downside's off the table. We could see, you know, this 90-minute chart, Bart Simpson instead of bull flag, and we could see this 6-hour chart, bear flag instead of ascending triangle. All right. Anything can happen. You got to keep that in mind, and you got to keep yourself ready for anything to happen. So that means risk management. If you are worried about the moves, then you might have too much money in the market. And it might be time to pull a little bit out, whether you're up or down. Take the hit. You can write it off on your taxes if you do. But if you're like me and you were buying in a bear market, the last bear market, then you're up significantly regardless. Now, again, let me reiterate, I am talking about Bitcoin. I'm not talking about Bitcoin. I won't sell my Bitcoin. I will sell all my alts. I will not sell my Bitcoin. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Music provided by Luminist and Veloa today. No sex squatch. But we do still love you, sexy. But thank you for watching. You're awesome. Much love. See ya later.